99% of men don't know women are looking for this. Hey there, Anna here. Ever found yourself trying to figure out the puzzle of what women truly desire in a man? Well, today we are peeling back the curtain on those lesser known things that women genuinely seek. It's not the typical stuff that most men think of. It's more nuanced, deeper, and genuinely intriguing. By the end of this video, you will have insights that could completely redefine your perspective on relationships. Ready to uncover these hidden truths? Join me and let's delve deep into the mysteries of what women are really looking for in a man. Emotional presence. Emotional presence is all about being there for her mentally and emotionally. It's about actively listening, being supportive, and responding empathetically. Many men don't realize this, but women crave a partner who is emotionally available and can express their feelings. Being emotionally present requires openness and vulnerability, which can be daunting for many. But remember, showing your emotional side doesn't make you any less of a man. On the contrary, it shows strength and depth. Confidence. Confidence is sexy, there's no doubt about it. And no, we're not talking about the cocky in-your-face type of confidence. We mean the quiet, self-assured kind. Women are attracted to men who are comfortable in their own skin, who can make confident decisions, and who know their self-worth. Confidence also implies a sense of security, which is incredibly attractive to women. So work on boosting your self-esteem and watch how it changes the way women perceive you. Genuine kindness. One of the most overlooked qualities in a man is genuine kindness. Many men think it's all about being tough or dominant, but in reality, a kind heart goes a long way. Women appreciate men who are compassionate, considerate, and respectful towards all people, not just them. This kindness often reflects a man's character and signals that he's boyfriend material. So remember to be kind, even when you think nobody's watching, because she probably is. Passion. Women are drawn to men who are passionate about something. This passion could be for a career, a hobby, or even a cause. When a man is passionate, it shows he has drive, purpose, and the ability to commit. Qualities that are very attractive to women. Plus, it's infectious. When you talk about your passion with enthusiasm, she will be captivated. Passion breeds excitement and shows you have a life beyond your relationship, which can be very appealing. Sense of humor. This one might not be a secret, but it's worth mentioning. A good sense of humor is incredibly attractive to most women. It's not about cracking jokes all the time, but about being able to see the lighter side of life. A man who can make her laugh is a man she will want to spend her time with. Humor also shows intelligence and creativity, so don't be afraid to show your witty side. Integrity. Here's something many men often overlook: integrity. Women appreciate a man who stands by his words and actions. It's about being honest, responsible, and consistent. Whether it's keeping a promise, admitting when you are wrong, or standing up for what's right. Integrity is a quality that can set you apart. Remember, it's not just about the big things. Even small actions can show your integrity. A healthy lifestyle. A man who can take care of his health is attractive to women. It shows that you respect yourself and value your well-being. Now, this doesn't mean you need to have a bodybuilder's physique or follow a strict diet. It's about maintaining a balanced lifestyle, staying active, and eating healthily. Taking care of your mental health is equally important. A healthy man is an attractive one. Ambition. Women are attracted to men with dreams and goals. Ambition signals that you are self-driven and hardworking. It shows you have a direction in life and are not afraid to take on challenges. You don't have to be a millionaire or CEO, but showing you are working towards achieving your goals can make you a very attractive person in a woman's eyes. Respectfulness. Women are looking for a man who respects them as individuals. This includes respecting their choices, opinions, boundaries, and independence. If you genuinely value her and treat her as your equal, she'll notice it. Respect is crucial in any relationship, and it's something women are absolutely looking for. A good listener. Women want a man who listens, really listens. Many men think they need to solve problems or give advice when a woman shares her thoughts or feelings. However, more often than not, she just wants to be heard. Practice active listening, show empathy, and make her feel valued. Emotional intelligence. This refers to the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of others. A man with high emotional intelligence can navigate conflicts better, express his feelings appropriately, and empathize with his partner's feelings. It's a highly attractive quality as it fosters better communication and a healthy relationship. Patience. Women value patience in a man. It's a sign of understanding, maturity, and control. Whether it's waiting for her while she's shopping, dealing with a stressful situation, or understanding when she needs time, your patience will not go unnoticed. Showing patience implies that you truly value her and the relationship. Open-mindedness. An open-minded man is a breath of fresh air. It shows you are willing to consider different perspectives, embrace new ideas, and even step out of your comfort zone. This suggests you are flexible, adaptable, and willing to grow, traits women find very appealing. Loyalty. This is one of the most attractive traits in a man. A loyal man sticks by his partner through the thick and the thin. He respects his relationship and protects it. Loyalty also extends to fidelity and commitment. Remember, loyalty is not just a trait, it's a choice, a decision that differentiates a mature, lovable man from the rest. Supportiveness. Women want a partner who will support them in their career, their passions, and even in their day-to-day lives. Support doesn't mean solving her problems. It means being there for her, encouraging her, and believing in her. It makes her feel valued and empowered. Good communication skills. No relationship can thrive without good communication, and women know this. They are looking for a man who's not just a good talker, but also a good listener. Someone who can articulate his feelings, thoughts, and concerns openly and honestly. Good communication is key to resolving conflicts and building a strong relationship. Generosity. This isn't just about showering her with gifts. Generosity is a broader trait that involves being generous with your time, your help, compliments, and gratitude. Generous people are considerate. They give without expecting anything in return, and that's something women find extremely appealing. A positive attitude. Women are attracted to men who have a positive outlook on life. Positivity can make you more approachable and fun to be around, and it's a sign of emotional health. A positive attitude can also make you more resilient and help you deal with life's challenges better, which are traits women respect. A sense of adventure. Women love a man who is open to new experiences and isn't afraid to step out of his comfort zone. Now, this doesn't mean you have to go skydiving every weekend. It can be as simple as being open to trying a new cuisine or exploring a new place. A sense of adventure can keep a relationship exciting and dynamic. Ability to apologize. Men often don't realize this, but the ability to apologize sincerely is incredibly attractive to women. It's a sign of emotional maturity and shows that you value the relationship over your ego. When you're wrong, don't hesitate to apologize. It shows that you respect her and are willing to make amends. Reliability. Being reliable goes a long way in winning a woman's heart. When you say you will do something, follow through. Be there when you say you will. Reliability builds trust, and trust is the foundation of a strong relationship. A reliable man is a dependable one, and that's very attractive. A balanced life. Women appreciate men who lead a balanced life. Now, this means you have good work-life balance, maintain healthy relationships with family and friends, and have interests outside of the relationship. It's an indication that you can take care of your life, which is a quality of a potential long-term partner. Independence. This is an attractive trait. It shows that you can take care of yourself, make your own decisions, and are not overly reliant on others. While women like to be needed, they also appreciate a man who can stand on his own 2 feet. Gentlemanly behavior. Old school perhaps, but it works. Chivalry is not dead, guys. Simple acts like opening doors, walking on the side of the sidewalk closer to the street, or pulling out a chair for her show respect and consideration. They are small acts, but they speak volumes about you. Creativity. This is often underrated, but it's very attractive. It shows that you can think outside the box, come up with interesting ideas, and make ordinary moments special. Doesn't mean you have to be an artist. Creativity can come in many forms, so don't hesitate to show your creative side. Mindfulness. This is the ability to be fully present in the moment. It's a trait that women find very attractive. It shows that you're not distracted, but are fully focused on her and the moment you are sharing together. It makes her feel valued and special. Respect for her dreams and goals. This is essential. A man who respects and supports a woman's dreams and ambitions is highly attractive. It shows that you're not threatened by her success, but are a partner who will support her journey and celebrate her achievements. Now that you've cracked the code of what women want, have you noticed the signals she sends when she wants you closer? Or maybe you are curious about the moves she makes when she's flirting. Dive into one of these next. And if you found value here, like, comment, and subscribe for more.